How to use Files app on iPhone. Well, hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Let me go through quick and easy on how you can use Files app on an iPhone. Well, the Files app is Apple's inbuilt file manager. Here is how you can use it. You can proceed to open up the Files app and you should get an interface somewhat like this. So if you head over right away, you'll get it this way, browse option here. Now, if you want to find it on your iPhone, you can tap on my iPhone and you'll find everything on your storage right here. So downloads, media converted, you can see my banking details. Steve means that I downloaded here and some of my pictures that I've downloaded. If you head over to recently deleted, you'll be able to see your recently deleted, and under favorites, you'll be able to find your favorites as well. Similarly, you can go to browse here, proceed to browse, and you can use the search bar to search for files directly through their name if you know the folder's name or such, so you can look it directly. You can also organize downloads into folders. So if you head over to downloads, you'll be able to find them. You can tap on it and you can see the option to quick loop, get info. You can rename it, you can delete it, you can duplicate it, or you can set it to new folder with item. And as I mentioned before, you can move it to another folder and you can organize it as well. So hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.